Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing this S-Caring massage gun. This is another Percussion deep tissue kind massage gun. So we're going to be unboxing it today and see if this is worth $89.99. So last time I unboxed a $60 massager and I am blown away. So I'm going to go see if this is better than that one. This seems to be smaller, so this is gonna be interesting. Again, the brand is S-Caring, and it is $89.99 right now. There we go. Ooh. Okay, there. Let's go put it over here and open the smaller box first. Let's start with the smaller box and see. Okay, so this doesn't come with a container or a bag. So you'll get this kind of head, and then this one is different. I'm not sure what this one is for. And then this is the needle head, I believe, and this is a different kind. They are all plastic, but at least they are well made, so hopefully that is a good sign. And the fork. All right, and now let's go see what kind of charger it uses. Hopefully it's a Type-C. I'm always looking for a Type-C, and looks like it is a Type-C. Woohoo! Great job, guys. I am impressed. So I'm always looking for a new product. So I know it is newer product when it is giving a Type-C kind of charger, USB-C charger. So I know if I forget it, at least I don't have to worry about getting the charger anywhere, because my phone uses a USB-C charger. Okay, so we got the manual. So before we use this, it's at least heavy duty. Okay, the manual looks very well illustrated and written. Hopefully we can easily understand it even without it. And now let's go ahead and see. Hey, this is really pretty small. Wow, look, I have a decent size of hand, and this really fits my hand. Feels pretty nice and heavy. Okay, it doesn't, oh, there is a battery indicator, and there is where you charge it. And now let's go try, and since I have used this on my previous video, we're gonna go see, not my previous video, but I have used this kind of head on my other massager. So now let's go press this, hopefully. Ooh, quiet. Wow, nice. So powerful as well. So these have at least a 4 setting. Ooh, it's really deep. Deep kneading there, guys. Wow, it feels so good. Okay, now let's go try number 2. Wow, look at the power of these guys. Look, this is not slow motion. This is in real time, but you guys can see how much my arm is moving. That is so cool. Okay, now number 3. It's not so loud. Pretty compared to my other one, this is louder. Power wise, they are about the same. I think this is a little bit louder than the other one, but still pretty good. Now let's go try number 4. Okay, now it's kind of like almost like a vacuum sound. Okay, now let's go back to 1. Okay, so do I like these? I like it. Will I pay $89.99 for these? I am not sure. The look is pretty good. It's heavy metal, at least that I can say. And interchanging the heads is pretty easy, so that's a good thing. I'm not sure. Ooh, this feels good at least. Again, these are plastic, but they are not the soft kind, and they are not so cheap looking as well. At least they are well made, so I think that justify $89.99. But like I said, will I buy this one compared to the other one? I think I'll get the other one instead. But what I love about these is it uses USB-C type, and it got 4 modes, at least 4 settings. So if you guys wanted a higher one or much stronger, you can pick that. It doesn't show how much battery is left, so that is quite a bummer. For that price, I am expecting more. So, but I think for the portability, they did not make it that way, so you kind of give up that kind of feature, I guess. But I wish they could just at least something digital or a light that shows, hey, this is all that is left. Again, this is S carrying, and it runs $89.99 in Amazon right now. Maybe it's cheaper in some other places, but as you guys can see, how many stars will I give this for my initial review? I'll give this 4 stars. 4.5 kind of. Alrighty guys, and with that as said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.